Hi, I'm Kelly, the infection preventionist here at Johnson Memorial Health Services. Today, in honor of Global Handwashing Day, we're going to show you the proper way to wash your hands, one of the simplest and most effective ways to keep yourself and others healthy. To help demonstrate this, we'll bring in Ashley, who is an expert in this area. Okay, first we'll start by running our hands under warm running water. Then we'll apply soap. Rub your hands together to create lather. Scrub for at least 20 seconds. A good way to time is to hum the happy birthday song twice. Make sure to get both sides of your hands in between your fingers and under your fingernails. That's where germs like to hide. Flawless technique, Ashley. Rinse your hands well under clean, warm running water. Make sure all the soap is gone. Don't forget the back of your hands, Ashley. Finally, dry your hands using a clean towel or let them air dry. And if you're in a public restroom, use the paper towel to turn off the water faucet. That's it. Great job, Ashley. Clean hands help prevent the spread of illness to our patients, our families, and our communities. Wash your hands often to help prevent the spread of disease. Happy Global Handwashing Day from all of us at JMHS.